Welcome to your Neuradiant 1070 setup guide and unboxing video. Please note, since recording this video, the orientation of the box has been changed to make it easier for you to pull out and access your helmet. Please also note that the user manual has been moved from the outside side pocket to the inside of the case. This way, they are more protected. Included with your device, you will find a full user manual as well as a quick start guide, and you will find some recording sheets for any custom protocols that you have and plan to use with your device. Your Neuradiant 1070 comes inside of a protective black carrying case. We recommend that when you're traveling or storing your device away, that you store it inside of this case for better protection. After unzipping your black travel case, you will first find a gray chin strap, which we will show you how to use later in the video, the white Neuradiant 1070 helmet, a power adapter, foam pads and Velcro for sizing, the black touchscreen controller, the helmet connector cable, and the power cord. On the controller, you will notice that there are 2 ports for cords to be plugged in. Before plugging any of the cords in, we need to remove the zip ties holding the cords together. The first cord that we are going to plug in is the power adapter. This is the thin cord with a large black box on the end. We want to plug the end of this cord into the silver connector on the controller. Next, we will plug the power adapter into the power cord. The power cord is the cord that contains the plug connecting to the wall. When connecting these 2 cords together, be sure that the connection is snug so that the device receives adequate power. Next, we will connect the controller to the white Neuradiant 1070 helmet. When connecting this cord, be sure that the connection lines up correctly and that the connection is snug. After connecting the cord to the helmet, be sure to twist the silver ring so that the connection is tight. Now that we have connected all of the cords, we can now plug in the power cord to the wall socket. And then we can turn on our device by pressing on the silver button located on the top of the controller. If your device does not power on as shown, be sure that all of the cords are snugly connected and check that there is a blue or green light on the power adapter. After the device powers on, you will see the home screen. From here, you can select one of our 4 preset protocols, a custom program, or a clinical protocol. To start one of these protocols, simply tap it and then press the start button. When running a protocol, you will see 4 red test lights turn on inside of the helmet. The wavelength 1070 nanometers operates outside of the visible spectrum of light, so these red lights function to tell you that the helmet is on and working properly. Your device comes with Velcro stickers and foam pads, so you may adjust the size of the helmet to fit you comfortably. How you arrange these foam pads is up to personal preference. The Velcro stickers and foam pads can be placed anywhere along the white part on the inside of your helmet. Be sure not to place any of these along the clear plastic on the inside, as to not block any of the infrared light. Included with the foam pads are 2 different sizes. This is up to your preference and what fits you best. In this video, we demonstrate using 4 foam pads, 1 on each of the inner corners of the helmet. You may use more pads, closer to 8, or even less pads, maybe 1 or 2, all depending on your head shape and size. Included with the purchase of your device is also an optional chin strap. This is suitable for children or individuals who may have a hard time sitting still long enough to use the device. The chin strap can be used by first attaching the 2 Velcro ends together. Then you can place the chin strap inside of the helmet with the black side connecting to the Velcro stickers. If you have any questions or you need any assistance, please reach out to our support team, which can be found on our website, neuronic.online.